exploration of the 10 common reasons why epidemiological mistakes can occur. In the complex field of epidemiology, understanding these biases is crucial for both students and professionals dedicated to public health. First on our list is sampling bias. This bias surfaces when the study sample doesn't accurately represent the population under investigation. Imagine trying to understand a forest by only studying a few trees. It simply won't provide the full picture. Next, we have selection bias. This occurs when systematic differences exist between those who participate in a study and those who do not. This can undermine the validity of a study's results, much like drawing conclusions about a book by reading only selected chapters. Recall bias often plagues retrospective studies, where participants may struggle to accurately remember past exposures or events. This bias can distort the findings, similar to relying on memory alone to fill in the blanks of a puzzle. Information bias involves errors in how data is collected, such as inaccuracies in measurements or classifications. Think of it like trying to solve a math problem with the wrong numbers. Accuracy is everything. Confounding variables are next. These are extraneous variables that influence both the exposure and the outcome, creating a misleading association. It's like mistaking smoke for fire without realizing there's a mirror reflecting the flames. Measurement error, a close relative, involves inaccuracies in measuring exposures or outcomes, leading to biased results. Imagine using a ruler with incorrect markings. It would never yield the right dimensions. Then there's diagnostic bias, where the diagnosis of a disease is swayed by knowledge of exposure. This bias can lead to false connections, much like jumping to conclusions based on first impressions. Publication bias is another concern, occurring when studies with positive results are more likely to be published. This skews the evidence landscape, similar to hearing only the loudest voices in a debate. Limitations in study design also contribute to bias, with certain designs like observational studies being more prone than others, such as randomized controlled trials. It's akin to building a house on a shaky foundation. Some designs simply offer more stability than others. Lastly, we have random error, an inevitable companion in any study due to chance. Though ever present, its impact diminishes with larger sample sizes, much like finding clarity by viewing a picture in high resolution. By understanding these 10 reasons, we can better navigate the pitfalls of epidemiological research, ensuring our studies are as robust and reliable as possible. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of epidemiological biases and errors. Stay informed and continue to question, because that's the essence of scientific progress.